Welcome to our channel Tech It Easy.
Hi friends. Today we will discuss about blast furnace and its process flow. Blast furnace inputs and outputs. Blast furnace auxiliaries. In blast furnace, there is reducing atmosphere. Carbon monoxide hydrogen gas mainly acts as a reducing agent. In blast furnace, iron oxides are charged in the form of hematite. Gradually it reduces and oxygen removed. Finally hot metal produces. Impurities or gangue materials combine with flux to form slag. A blast furnace serves several functions. Iron production reduces iron ore, higher oxide to lower oxide and finally iron, to produce hot metal. Smelting smelts iron ore, coke, and limestone to produce a molten iron product. Chemical reactions facilitates chemical reactions that remove impurities and achieve desired chemical composition. Temperature control maintains high temperatures, around 2000 C, to facilitate smelting and chemical reactions. Fuel combustion burns fuel, coke, coal, or gas to generate heat and reduce iron ore. Gas production produces blast furnace gas, BFG, as a byproduct, used as fuel or energy source. Slag formation forms slag, a byproduct that removes impurities and protects the furnace. Tapping and casting taps molten iron and slag from the furnace bottom and send it to SMS or casts them into pigs or ingots.
Inputs/outputs of blast furnace. The inputs of a blast furnace are iron-bearing raw material, IBRN, sinter, pellets, iron ore, DRI, the primary source of iron. Coke, metallurgical coal, acts as a reducing agent and fuel. Dolomite, calcium magnesium carbonate, flux to remove impurities and form slag. Quartzite, optional, added to maintain slag basicity and slag volume. Coal, natural gas or fuel oil, optional supplemental fuel to support combustion. Hot blast, compressed cold air heated into stoves and supplied to the furnace. Oxygen, optional, injected to enhance combustion and productivity. Steam, injected to maintain draft and handling of hot furnace. Water, used for cooling and dust suppression. These inputs are combined and heated in the blast furnace to produce hot metal, which is then further refined to produce steel. The outputs of a blast furnace are hot metal, the primary product, steel grade, containing around 95% iron, 3 to 5% carbon, 0.6 to 1% silicon, 0.04 to 0.06% sulfur and other impurities. Slag, a molten waste material containing mainly calcium, magnesium, silica, aluminum oxides and other impurities, which is tapped from the furnace and granulated and used in various applications, e.g. cement production. Blast furnace gas, BFG, a combustible gas mixture, mainly carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and nitrogen, produced during the smelting process, used as fuel or power generation. Dust and fines, small particles of iron ore, coke and fluxes that are carried away by the blast furnace gas and collected in dry GCP baghouses or wet GCP scrubber demister. These outputs are the result of the blast furnace process, which converts iron ore into hot metal, a crucial step in steel production and is known as iron making. Now we will discuss about blast furnace auxiliaries. Auxiliaries are like human body parts, we cannot live without. Similarly, blast furnace cannot run without its auxiliary support. Stockhouse. The stockhouse in a blast furnace plays a crucial role in the iron making process. Its primary functions are, firstly, storage. The stockhouse stores raw materials like sinter, pellet, iron ore, coke, dolomite, pyroxenite, quartzite and DRI. Secondly, screening, weighing and batching. The stockhouse screen out, fines, weighs and batches the raw materials in the correct proportions for the blast furnace. Fourthly, conveying. The burden is conveyed to the blast furnace top through a series of conveyor belts or skip cars. Next, feeding. The stockhouse feeds the burden into the blast furnace at a controlled rate through BLT or bell-type charging system. Next, level control. Main control room controls the level of the burden in the blast furnace. Monitoring. Stockhouse main control room monitors the raw material levels, weighing, and batching to ensure the process runs smoothly. The stockhouse ensures a consistent and efficient supply of raw materials to the blast furnace, which is essential for producing high-quality iron. Hot blast stoves. Stoves in a blast furnace serve several functions. Heating blast air heats up the cold blast air supplied by turbo blower to a higher temperature, around 1100 to 1200 degrees Celsius, before it enters the furnace. Energy recovery recovers heat energy from the exhaust gases of the stoves and uses it to preheat the BF gas and combustion air. 5. Consistent temperature maintains a consistent temperature in the furnace, ensuring stable smelting conditions. 6. Reducing energy consumption reduces energy consumption by utilizing waste heat and optimizing blast air temperature. The stoves play a vital role in the blast furnace process, enhancing efficiency, productivity, and environmental performance.
Turbo blower. The turbo blower in a blast furnace has several critical functions. Uninterrupted air supply provides a constant and precise supply of compressed air to the furnace necessary for combustion and smelting. Pressure control maintain the supply pressure towards the furnace, ensuring a consistent and optimal operating condition. Oxygen enrichment. Oxygen enrichment in a blast furnace serves several purposes. Increased productivity. Oxygen enrichment boosts the coke burning rate, thus reaction rate, allowing for higher iron production rates. Improved fuel efficiency. By increasing the oxygen content, less fuel, coke, is required to achieve the same temperature, reducing energy consumption. Enhanced combustion. Oxygen enrichment ensures more complete combustion of fuel, reducing unburnt carbon and increasing the overall efficiency of the process. Reduced carbon dioxide emissions. By improving combustion efficiency, oxygen enrichment helps minimize carbon dioxide emissions. Improved hot metal quality. Oxygen enrichment can help reduce the silicon content in pig iron, resulting in a higher quality product. By enriching the blast with oxygen, the blast furnace process becomes more efficient, productive, and environmentally friendly, leading to cost savings and improved product quality. Steam injection in a blast furnace serves several purposes. Temperature control. Steam injection helps regulate the furnace temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining an optimal range. Heat transfer. Steam injection enhances heat transfer, improving the efficiency of the smelting process. Improved gas distribution. Steam injection helps distribute gases more evenly, promoting consistent smelting conditions. PCI. PCI, pulverized coal injection, in a blast furnace serves several functions. Fuel savings. PCI replaces part of the coke with pulverized coal, reducing fuel costs and energy consumption. Increased productivity. PCI can boost iron production rates by enhancing the reaction kinetics. Improved fuel efficiency. PCI optimizes fuel combustion, reducing energy waste and emissions. Reduced coke consumption. By injecting coal, the demand for coke is decreased, conserving this valuable resource. Lower carbon dioxide emissions. PCI can lead to reduced carbon dioxide emissions due to more efficient fuel combustion. Dry gas cleaning plant, GCP, in a blast furnace serves several functions. Gas cleaning removes impurities, dust, and particulate matter from the blast furnace gas, BFG. Particulate matter reduction decreases particulate matter in the BFG, minimizing emissions and environmental impact. Improved gas quality enhances the quality, calorific value, of the BFG, making it suitable for use as fuel or power generation. Increased energy efficiency. By cleaning the gas, dry GCP enables more efficient energy recovery and utilization. TRT. TRT, top pressure recovery turbine, in a blast furnace serves several functions. Energy recovery recovers energy from the high pressure blast furnace top gas, BFG, exiting the furnace. Power generation converts the recovered energy into electrical power, feeding it back into the plant. Pressure reduction reduces the pressure of the BFG, making it suitable for use in other processes or as fuel. Inba slag granulation plant. A slag granulation plant, SGP, in a blast furnace serves several functions. Slag processing converts molten slag into a granulated, vitrified product. Cooling and solidification rapidly cools and solidifies the slag, preventing it from forming a solid mass. Granulation breaks down the slag into small, uniform particles, granules. Heat recovery recovers heat from the slag, which can be used in other processes or for energy generation. Water conservation reduces water usage by using a dry granulation process. Flare stack. A flare stack in a blast furnace serves several functions. Relief of excess gases, provides a safe outlet for excess gases generated during the smelting process. Pressure relief, relieves pressure buildup in the furnace, preventing damage or explosions. Burning off volatile gases, burns off volatile gases, such as methane and carbon monoxide, reducing emissions. Reducing explosive risks, minimizes the risk of explosions by burning off flammable gases. Torpedo ladle. Torpedo ladle in a blast furnace serves several functions. Transportation of molten metal, transports molten iron or steel from the blast furnace to the steel making facility. Thermal insulation, maintains the temperature of the molten metal during transportation. Protection from contamination, prevents contamination of the molten metal by air, water, or other external factors. Efficient pouring, allows for precise and efficient pouring of the molten metal into the steel making furnace. Reduced heat loss, minimizes heat loss during transportation, reducing energy consumption. Improved metal quality, helps maintain the quality of the molten metal by preventing oxidation and contamination. Ensuring the quality and consistency of the final steel product. Pig casting machine. A pig casting machine in a blast furnace serves several functions. Casting of pig iron, casts molten pig iron into a solid, rectangular shape, pigs or ingots. Cooling and solidification, rapidly cools and solidifies the molten pig iron, allowing it to be handled and transported. Mold formation, forms a mold around the pig iron, giving it a consistent shape and size. Stave Tuyere cooler system. Tuyere and stave cooling are essential components in a blast furnace. Tuyere. Air injection, injects hot air, blast, into the furnace, fueling the smelting process. Fuel combustion, facilitates combustion of fuel, coke, coal, or gas, in the furnace. Temperature control, helps regulate furnace temperature by adjusting airflow. Furnace stability, maintains stable furnace operation by controlling air injection. Stave cooling. Heat transfer, transfers heat from the furnace shell to the cooling water. Temperature control, regulates furnace temperature by controlling cooling water flow. Furnace protection, protects the furnace shell from overheating and damage. Energy recovery, recovers heat energy from the furnace, reducing energy losses. Nitrogen purging in blast furnace. Nitrogen purging in a blast furnace serves several functions. Inertization, replaces oxygen with nitrogen to prevent explosion risks. Purge air and moisture, removes air and moisture from the furnace, pipes, and equipment. Prevent corrosion, protects metal surfaces from corrosion by removing oxygen and moisture. Prepare for maintenance, purges the furnace with nitrogen before maintenance or repairs. Reduce oxygen content, decreases oxygen levels to prevent unwanted chemical reactions.